Hi yogis! If you're sitting on the fence and wondering whether to invest your time, your money and your energy into the Akram Studios 200-hour yoga teacher training course, I'm here to tell you to do it. It has honestly been one of the best things I have ever done. And one of the best decisions I've made for me. One of the things that really drew me to the course in the first place was the fact that it's over weekends. So it means that if you have a busy life, you're a parent, you're working full-time, part-time, whatever, it just means that you can fit it in and around your other responsibilities as well. Laura, Zahir and Paul, the people who run the course, are honestly some of the best people I've ever met in my life, genuinely. Zahir is full of bants, you can really be yourself around him, and his knowledge on anatomy and how to link that into your yoga teaching is incredible. Laura is just the queen of yoga. She's such a gentle soul, but she's so strong in her body and she's so approachable and just lovely, like the mother of the course. And Paul, just awesome, honestly. He makes me laugh every weekend I get to spend with him, and he has so much experience teaching yoga as well. So I've learned so much from him. Honestly, if you're sitting on the fence, just do it. Do it for you, do it for your future. Just do it. See you later.
Hip and rib, chest up. Now come back. I just love that I've got that on camera.